and today I'm going to show you how to change the permalinks on your WordPress website. So usually when when you start your WordPress website, at the top of the URL, you're going to usually see some, just some weird URL right after your, domain name. So this is how you change it. In your WordPress website dashboard, just scroll down all the way to settings and hover over it. And once you do, click on permalinks. These are the regular default settings. It should be on plain, sometimes different. So this is the example that it gives you, this little word. But if you hit post name, now whenever you write a blog, it won't leave the, it won't put the dates or anything in there. It'll actually put the post name that you name the post. So just make sure you do that. Click post name, save the changes, and if you have a new website that you're importing into WordPress, you would have to save the changes twice. Always, for this one, for the permalinks, always save the changes twice just to make sure that it saves and you're good to go. Now you're gonna have some really nice clean permalinks, and just hit that subscribe button for more content.